Scene, Claudia, take one.
Are we filming now?
It's for your own benefit.
Yeah.
Sorry.
Thank you.
Alright, let's do this again. That's maybe not appropriate. It's going to be very inappropriate, as I said.
Don't put me on the bulge just yet.
Say.
Well, that's not myth.
There's quite a few to mention. I'm going to keep saying this.
Validating over 32,000 millions.
Can I see the questions before you ask them? And then that'll give me an idea.
That's not.
After 13 years.
It's cracking up. Yeah, I'll need to replay this.
Right, what was the question, sorry? Sorry, I'm trying to
Take it down.
What are those? Think first and speak later, not the other way around.
You don't put that anywhere.
I'll see.
Don't.
Loud energy.
Okay.
Can you ask me something else?
This question. Yeah, that's why I was laughing. I knew silently.
Come on, man.
Okay,
This is where, I look for your approval, mate. You have mental control on me already.
I love that. Love that.